You've asked for more move-in ready tiny homes, and I got you covered. And today, not only are you getting a move-in ready tiny home, but you're also getting a private sanctuary. How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Cherrywood Cottage Move-In Ready. I am back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back with another move-in ready tiny home just for you, because y'all have been hitting me up these last few weeks saying, Mr. Tiny, we love what you have going with the move-in ready tiny homes right on time for summer, because we are wanting to downsize into a tiny home, but we just don't know where we want to put it. So you're taking the guesswork out of the equation by providing a tiny home at an affordable price that is ready to go inside of a luxury tiny home community. So right here today, I'm doing just that with the Cherrywood Cottage. This home right here behind me is located on lot 229 inside of the luxury tiny home community located in Campbell, Texas by the name of Hidden Forest Lake. For anyone that's wanting that luxury tiny home feel with all the amenities attached, this right here is the community for you, especially if you like things such as a gated community, trash pickup, lawn maintenance, community garden, community center, walking trails, and a catch and release pond, and even multiple dog parks for your little puppies. So you have all of that available for you. And including with this lot number 229, the Cherrywood Cottage, you're going to have one of the best lots in the community, and you'll see why in just a moment. But let's go ahead and talk about some of the features here, because this particular client purchased from us here at Recreational Resort Cottages, and due to some life changes, they are moving back to be closer to family, which is no problem, because when you purchase from Recreational Resort Cottages, one of the advantages you get is you're looking at it. When you purchase from us, just like I say, when you're subscribed like you should be, you're part of the family. So when you're a client of ours, you're part of the family as well. So when life gives you a curveball and you're located right here in Hidden Forest Lake tiny home communities, and if you ever needed to sell the home, we don't want you to sell, but just in case you need to, Mr. Tiny comes out and will help you advertise it to ensure it goes to a great person or family that's looking to downsize and will take care of it, and it's a best of both worlds situation. So we're doing just that right here today in the Cherrywood Cottage. And this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 399 square foot tiny home with no loft. And it's going to come with everything you see today, including the skirting to match the home, the 3-board low-rise Trex steps going up to your side porch, and it also includes a shed painted to match the home. And all of that's going to be included for the great price of $103K, $103,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And I know somebody's running to the comments already. That all sounds good, fine and dandy, but how much do we got to pay for lot rent around this place to have all those amenities, Mr. Tiny? But what you're going to pay is $660 a month. That covers this lot and every amenity that you're going to get included. That also includes your water as well. Electricity is metered separately, because we have a bunch of clients inside of this community that are lock and leave clients and lock and leave community members, snowbirds some may call them, where if you're not using electricity, why are you being charged a flat fee for it? So that's metered separately just for your advantage. But to start right here on the exterior of lot 229, you'll see it is beautifully manicured here. So you're going to have a great space. It is already landscaped for you. The current owners have a green thumb, and you're going to see that throughout the home. What I love about it is The good thing about being in Hidden Forest Lake is a lot of trees that are kept on the lot. So you have that as well, so some nice shade coverage. And the beautiful bay windows here on the exterior side with the wonderful, my favorite color, red, on the exterior base with the white trim. So those bay windows look magnificent. You have the Gabaloon metal roof with the 30-year warranty. But go ahead and follow me up. This path right here created just for you with the solar lights on each side, and we go up the 3-board low-rise steps. This works great for anyone who may just want an ease into their home or have mobility issues. This definitely helps with the low-rise steps. And then this side porch right here is fully covered, as you see right here. You will also have the rebar railing going around. Tons of space right here for you to utilize outdoor furniture, just as you see showcased today. And then the current owners added an amazing feature that you'll see here. You see these privacy shutters, awesome feature that you just flip open. You can bring in some natural light and you can close it off for additional privacy. So I think that is a great option. And that's not only the only thing you're going to get right here on the outside. You take a quick peek right here and you'll see that you have the painted to match shed. So right here beside it, this is going to be a full shed for you with the Gabaloon roof, the red exterior base, and the white trim. So painted to match the home to give you extra storage just in case you want to live big while going tiny. All of that's included in the 103K. But that's enough about the outside for the moment. Let's go ahead and take it inside so you can see why this Cherrywood Cottage may be the perfect tiny home cottage for you. And now we're on the interior of the Cherrywood Cottage, and you'll see right here one of the biggest pros that I feel about this current model is the floor plan layout, with the kitchen being to the end of the home, which allows when you walk in the front door to have all of this space right here for your living area. And you'll see, just as the current owners have arranged it, you have 2 recliners right here and windows on each side with the transom windows up top. Brings in a ton of natural light. And then of course you have the vaulted ceilings with the ceiling fan draping down. And then across from that, you have your TV wall. What's great about this is, since this home does not have any built-in entertainment center, you can do just as they've done today and have your own entertainment center of choice. This one, of course, is a very nice one, which has the LED fireplace built in that puts off heat. Obviously, I'm not turning that on today, so we're gonna have that there for looks, but it makes a great space for you to either mount your TV up above or place it right here on top. But great area. Even beside that, we have full-size plants and trees in here growing. I told you they have a green thumb. Beautiful. In all of this abundance of space, also hard surface flooring going throughout. No carpet in this model, so you do not have to worry about that at all. And if this living area hasn't sold you yet, let Mr. Tiny do his magic. Follow me. Those that like to cook, look at what you have right here in the Cherrywood Cottage. The perfect kitchen for the cook at heart that also wants a view. You have that right here in a 399 square foot tiny home. You see you have your drawer bank here, all of the additional cabinetry up top. You also, as you see, they've added some additional shelving over here just because you can. And then all of this countertop space, you have the stainless appliances, but look at all this prep space you have in here to work with. Additional cabinetry on each side, additional storage under your sink, but then the bay windows offers 4 large windows that bring in all of that natural light. It is a great view where no matter which side of the home that you're on, you can keep a look out for your property surrounded. Basically a 360 surveillance with all of your windows here. So a great floor plan, a perfectly situated lot inside of this Hidden Forest Lake tiny home community. So great feature there. And then of course it wraps around where you'll get over to the stainless steel fridge and the additional cabinetry and pantry right here with the 3-door pantry beside it. So tons of space. This is even enough space where you could put an island on wheels right here and have enough space to walk around as well. So a great functional floor plan. And I'm going to keep repeating, this is only 103K. If you kept up with the current pricing and the new models that we're currently selling, you're getting a great deal. And these current owners are passing the blessing on to you because they've had such a great time here at Hidden Forest Lake, made lifelong friends in here that they're hating to see go, but they also want to make sure the next person coming in doesn't have to, pull out their whole pocketbook and throw everything at it. They want somebody in here that just truly wants a sense of community and wants to downsize, and they can afford to do so. So let's take it from the kitchen through the rest of the home, and you see here tons of walkability. You see you got a great wall right here to display some decor. Also, if you want to put your TV on that wall, you could as well. You have some options. Over here you have space, makes a great area for a coat rack or additional decor. In the hallway you have a 6-door linen pantry for additional storage. And then across from that you're going to have your stackable top load washing machine and dryer, all included for you. Speaking of storage, you also have additional storage here in the hallway. Ask about it down below. That's going to be where your water heater location is. So that's tucked out of sight, out of mind. Now let's take it into the bathroom right here. And a great feature, look at this. As soon as you come into the bathroom, you'll see the current owners added their own little pizzazz to the place. So you have this mosaic tile going from the countertop all the way up right here, wrapping around this sink location. Also, due to the vaulted ceilings, you have so much height in here to utilize. And then not only did they do that with the mosaic tile, but they've also tiled the floor. You have ceramic tile flooring going throughout the bathroom area. Great feature there. Window here to the rear side, and then you do have a 48-inch shower right here. It is fiberglass. You have the curtain up, so that is going to be a great space for you. You can easily, I love the shower curtain option because you can easily change your decor as you please, and rather than having to clean it or anything like that, just throw it away when you're done with it, put another one up. Great feature there. Now, this is where you're going to be spending some of your time as well. Pocket door leading into the bedroom of the Cherrywood Cottage. And in this home, you'll see it displayed. A queen size bed in here. And look at this. You got some walkability in here with the queen size bed. So great feature here. You even have space on each side for some small nightstands. You have your electrical panel box there, so easy and convenient to get to if you ever needed to. Ceiling fan there centered, and again with the vaulted ceilings, it makes this home feel so open, especially for anyone looking for a non-lofted model. This may be the one for you. You're going to have the closets on each side separate, which work very well for most people. You're going to have the bifold doors on there, 4-drawer dresser centered with the additional space up above. You see, you get the thing. You get the idea yet of the plants going throughout the home? So anybody who has a green thumb, this would be a great place for you to keep it going in here. You're talking about in here. Now let's talk about out there. Because yes, I didn't even tell you this yet, but you get a rear porch in addition to the side porch. So follow me out onto the rear porch. And this would be my favorite area. And I say area because we're not even close to finished yet. So right here on the rear porch, you'll see, I told you that the current owner built the additional shades right here. And look, what's great about them is it offers the privacy when you need it. Opens up, you get a nice breeze coming through as well. But when you want some of that privacy, you put it back up and you are good. I love that shutter feature. Also, you're going to have 2 exterior can lights, a ceiling fan there as well, and enough space on this rear porch that you could sit out here with some outdoor furniture and just listen to the peace of the waterfall right there for your convenience. And then, let me tell you this. You would think that'd be enough for you, especially at the price you're getting this home. That isn't enough. Mr. Tiny always likes to do it big. So I told you, you get a private sanctuary with this as well. And I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this. Follow me. So right off the bat, you are going to have, as you walk down these 3-board low-rise stairs, you have your private sanctuary, because on lot 229 in Hidden Forest Lake, This is your rear view right here. No neighbors here on the backside. You just have peace and serenity, and it's already in place for you. You have the rock landscaping going around and the stone leading directly to your outdoor area where you have a nice fire pit. There's a grill out here. All of this here for your convenience to sit around and converse with family, friends, and loved ones. I believe when I was speaking to the owner earlier, she was telling me that this is where they spend a lot of their time, was right here in this back area with family, friends, some community members here, and just having a nice place to gather and relax while being able to enjoy the scenery. I mean, as we're sitting here, you can bird watch. It's like you're one with nature, and that's something that's very rare to get in a luxury tiny home community. Most places, they just flatten the area out and just stack as many tiny homes in there as they can. That's not the case right here in Hidden Forest Lake. You still get that rural setting right here with a luxury tiny home lifestyle. So tons of area out here, like I said, for the seating, and again, a private sanctuary that you can call home. And I think, well, I'm not gonna even say I think, I actually know you cannot beat this price at $103K for everything I've showcased today. And to recap one more time, this home goes by the name of the Cherrywood Cottage, and it is a move-in ready tiny home available on lot 229 in Hidden Forest Lake luxury tiny home community located in Campbell, Texas. So this home today, including everything you've seen besides furniture and decor, is on sale for $103K. And if you enjoyed this video tour, what I need you to do is show me some love. I got this red suit on in the middle of July out here burning up, but I'm still keeping it fresh and clean just for you. So make sure to hit that thumbs up button and let me know that you enjoyed the video tour. Also hit that subscribe button. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you're part of the family and I appreciate you. And also comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Cherrywood Cottage was. If you're not currently in the position to take advantage of this home, just show some love and let me know what your favorite feature was so that way you can keep in mind for the future when you are ready. And also, if you're interested in purchasing the Cherrywood Cottage today, including this private sanctuary, you can hit me up directly on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Cherrywood Cottage as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my social media. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.